Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to see the sum of individual digits and palindrome number. Okay, so both in one, so it will be a little bit longer video, so just cooperate. So without wasting time, let's get started. We need to have an integer, a value which need to be taken. So I will take n, a sum number because we need to add, so we'll initialize it with 0. Then we will just take the values from the input. Once it is done, we'll take a while loop. We'll check whether that value is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then we'll perform an action where what we will do is we will take sum plus the remainder value. So the last value, sum is already 0, the remainder is the last value we will be taking, and that will be added to sum, and then the value of n will be updated. So we need, since the last number is already taken by sum, then we need other two numbers. So for that we will divide it by 10, and this will continue till n becomes 0. So that's what the sum of numbers, individual numbers, we can perform it out. And next comes for the palindrome. So for palindrome, again we'll take that same n value, we'll take the same while loop, and here what we need to do is, here we will just need to reverse the numbers. So for that we will take that remainder and we will just multiply the initial value with 10, so that it will added at the last of the values. Okay, so if you have entered like 1 2 1, 1 will come first, or 1 2 3, then 3 will come first. As a reminder, reverse will be reverse is 0, so 3 will be stored in reverse, and next time when it is 2, then 30 will be already multiplied. 3 is already there, 30 will be multiplied, and then 2, and remainder will get added. So 30 plus 2 is 32, something like that. We have written the logic and we have updated the n values. Check n value is equals to the input value is equal to the reverse value or not, and if it is not, then we'll write it is not a palindrome. This is what we will do. Just we'll check that we have just missed /n, so new line we need to have. So that's what done. So 11 is a palindrome number anyways. 1 to 1 is also a palindrome number, and individual numbers you can add that. It's coming 4. 1 to 3 is also 6, but it's showing as palindrome. So somewhere we have done a mistake. I think n value got updated, and in reverse the n value is always showing as 0. Let's check by printing the palindrome number, the reverse number. Okay, so once we check this out, you can able to see like it is always printing as 0. So here the value n value is getting updated, so we need to have a temporary value. So what we'll do, we'll just take a temporary value and we'll store it in n. Let me do that for you. Let me store temporary value, and also we need to update similarly in the below while loop as. Okay, so we got few errors. I have changed to temp1. Now we will just make it as temp only, that would be fine. And we have declared 2 times the integer of temp, so that should not be happen. So we will just initialize it at top, the temp, and we'll remove that integer as double initialization of the same value. So that's all. Now you can check like 1 2 3, it's not a palindrome. So palindrome is something like from first to last if you see, or last to first you see, the same number it should get. That's all for today's video. Hope you have liked this video. This is a simple logic, while loop, double time you need to write it out. Simply in the reverse you need to just multiply it by 10. That's it. It's a small video. Hope you have liked it. It will help you for your lab externals and lab internals. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.